Computing and IT underpins much of modern life and work. We all use technology every day, but most of us don't fully understand how it actually functions. Computing and IT explores how hardware, software and systems work together to power the technology we rely on every day. This includes understanding how software is designed and built, how systems communicate, and how data is processed and used.
The reason why I want to study science and computer IT, when I was like 15 years old, a friend of mine that started to teach me like HTML and CSS. I love solving problems.
Students come to computing and IT for different reasons. Some want to move into technical roles and develop digital skills. Others are already working with technology and want to understand it more deeply. And some are simply curious about the systems they use every day.
You have a tutor that anyway tries to keep you updated with everything new. And you have the portal where you can check out everything you need.
And because it's designed to fit around real life, many students study alongside work or other commitments.
I really wanted to go back and study. Since I was also working, I had some difficulties of keeping up with my work-life balance. And so I made the decision to start studying with Open University.
Studying computing and IT combines conceptual understanding with practical work. Programming and problem solving are developed through designing, testing, and debugging code.
What I really learned from the Open University, confidence in with what I've learned and how to apply it. Recently, I just built my first Android app.
Learning is applied through projects, building solutions, and working on real problems. You'll also have opportunities to collaborate with other students, sharing ideas and working together through discussions and group activities. Towards the end of the course, everything comes together in a final project where you showcase your skills by planning, developing, and refining your own work.
You're going to program, they're going to give you assignments where you need to build a website, to build your mobile app. There's a lot to learn and there's a lot of courses that are fun to do.
By the end of the course, you'll understand technology at a deeper level. Instead of just using systems, you'll be able to analyze how they work and identify where problems occur. You'll be able to break down complex challenges, design solutions, and explain your thinking clearly.
The Open University gave me the possibility to pursue a career that I have to say have changed my life.
This subject suits people who enjoy problem solving and logical thinking. It's a good fit if you're curious about how technology works and want to understand it beyond the surface. You don't need prior experience, but you do need a willingness to think analytically and work through complex challenges. If you want to understand how technology really works, explore the Computing and IT course at the Open University.